Hey, this is Marques, and right now, what if I told you for a fact you're wasting traffic and losing money? For years, smart marketers have been using standard traditional exit pop-ups to capture traffic as visitors were about to leave their blog, sales page, or squeeze page. We've all seen them, it's old technology. Well, due to recent changes made to the Chrome and Safari browsers, the traditional exit pop-up is dead and it's not coming back. Instead of you being able to display a custom marketing message on the traditional exit pop-up you may be using on your sites, now all the visitor will see is a generic message that reads, changes you made may not be saved. Now here's what I mean. Since up to 74% of people who visit your site use Chrome, the majority of your visitors cannot see your exit offer page. Safari made this change recently as well, and Firefox never displayed your traditional exit pop-up messages properly. So that's up to 92.4% of the visitors coming to your site that are not seeing your exit offer, which is a staggering percentage. So we set out to develop our own solution to solve this problem. We installed this solution on just one of our sites for 2 days to see what our results would be from using it, and this is what happened. Out of the 92 people who visited our site during the 2 days, 20 of them took action and subscribed to get a freebie. Since generally one subscriber equals $1 per month in income, you can imagine how quickly this will help us generate more money each and every month, especially as traffic grows. And this was done using traffic that was about to leave our site without subscribing or buying anything. We would have totally wasted it. So the solution we developed flat out works in terms of getting people to take action as they are leaving your site. Introducing a WP Traffic Up. This is the solution we developed for use within our own business to solve the Google Chrome issue. But not only did we solve the Chrome issue, we created an exit traffic capture system that is 10 times more effective than those old outdated exit pop-ups. Our WP Traffic Up plugin uses exit intent technology and is not an exit pop-up. As a visitor is about to leave your site, a new page slides up into view using 9 built-in animation effects. The person leaving can't miss it. You set which page gets displayed, so when using WP Traffic Up, you are not restricted to using just exit intent opt-in forms to gather subscribers. You can show them literally any page you want, even pages with autoplay videos on them, and we are the only exit intent plugin or software that can do that. So you can display your full-length squeeze pages, sales pages, landing pages, webinar sign-up forms to people getting ready to leave your site. You can even show vendor sales pages to make affiliate commissions, just like the person visiting your site clicked on your affiliate link. There's a ton of ways to use our WP Traffic Up plugin. You have the potential to make a lot more money when you are using it on all of your sites. So best of all, it's super easy to use. As you will see in the walkthrough video, it takes under a minute to get up and running. After watching the walkthrough video, scroll down to the bottom of this page to gain instant access. In addition to gaining instant access to the WP Traffic Up plugin, you will also gain instant access to our private Traffic Up Facebook group. Now here's the walkthrough video, and I hope you will see the value in adding a plugin like this to your arsenal.
The first thing you will see after activating the plugin is the site-wide options. Now, if you want to enable WP Traffic Up throughout your entire site, all you would do is click this Enable Site-Wide button right here and then paste in the URL that you would like to display as people are leaving your site. So let's say we want to display a squeeze page as people are leaving our entire site. And then we can select an animation. Now we have built-in animations right here. So I'm just going to do move from top and then click changes. Now if I go to my site and I try to leave the site, right there would be my squeeze page. So anytime someone tries to leave your site, you will see the squeeze page right here. Now, for instance, say that you want to advertise a webinar as people try to leave your site. All you would do is stick a link in there, and then let's choose a different animation effect, click changes. Then when we go to our site and someone tries to leave the site, they will see your webinar sign up page. So this is a great way to get extra opt-ins, to get extra webinar signups. And we could do this with absolutely any URL. So let's say that we even wanted to show them an affiliate offer as people try to leave your site. We would click just save changes again. And then when we go to our blog and refresh it, if we scroll up to the top, right there is our JVZoo affiliate offer, for instance, but it works with ClickBank or practically all other networks out there. This can also be used on individual pages or posts. So all you would do, a meta box appears on the bottom below each page or post. In this case, I'm using Optimize Press as a theme. You can use any theme with our plugin. And then to display a specific screen as people are leaving the site, all we would do is click Enable. And let's say I want people to see a squeeze page after they try leaving a sales page. So then I'm just going to move from top, click Update, and then when I go to my sales page as they try to leave, then they can see a squeeze page. Now if we have a squeeze page, for instance, if I have it enabled, now let's say that they are leaving the site and we could show them an affiliate offer, for instance. So I would just paste that in there, and then I would move from top. And when we view the page, trying to leave the site, and there's our affiliate offer. So this is a great way to make extra commissions, to make extra sales of our own products, because that could be anything that you want to put in here. And just to prove that, let's just put CNN.com in here, and it will pull in entire sites if we wanted to. So I'm just going to click Update, View Page, and then as I go to leave, you'll see CNN.com shows up. So again, this works for any link, and these are the links that I've been using. So this is a great plugin. It's going to do so many great things for your business. You're going to get more subscribers, earn more affiliate commissions, and sell more of your own products or get webinar signups. So you will make more money by using this plugin.